friends, welcome to my family room. This is where we spend the most of our time. It's in this room. This acrylic trunk came from Craigslist years ago, and inside is my favorite home decor. I just picked these up from Walmart. The two larger owls are from Walmart. The two smaller ones are from the Dollar Tree. And how cute are they? I fell in love with them. They're so cute. Nutcrackers are all over this house. So here's another vignette of nutcrackers. These little mini ones I've had for years, maybe almost 10 or no, even longer than that. I'll say about 20 years. And this candle came from Bath and Body Works. It was a gift. And this floral arrangement came from the thrift store. The tree itself came from a Facebook Marketplace. And I've just wrapped a gift. Actually, I didn't wrap it because I don't know how to wrap. I hate wrapping things. When I do it just because it's a labor of love. But Christopher actually wrapped that for me and placed it underneath the tree so that I could have some gifts started. These are the most beautiful ornaments, and they're mainly from the dollar store. This church is so glittery and detailed. These picks, the same from the Dollar Tree. This cross, how gorgeous is that? A Dollar Tree ornament. These angel wings. Let me see if I can find one that sparkles a little bit differently. Here we go. Look at that. It's a blush pink one. But a lot of the ornaments came from the Dollar Tree. The star came from the snowflake at the top came from At Home. And then a few of them, the more precious ones, like this glass ball, I've had for a number of years. I always layer in all the way through my tree, so when you look through, you'll see ornaments all the way through the tree hidden in the back, because I think that just makes the tree look full and gorgeous. So this is my Christmas tree. I paid, I think, $25, $30 for her off of Facebook Marketplace. A great buy, if I must say so myself. The tree skirt I've had for years. This is my bar card that I never use as a bar. God, I gotta use it as a bar card at least once. But it's holding some decor. These are the same ginger jars that were already in this room. I've just placed floral arrangements in one this time to give it a little bit of winter Christmas decor. And all of these stems came from the Dollar Tree. That's a new addition. Hi, darling. Isn't he handsome? Yes, he's a new addition. He was a gift from my friend Christopher. And this plaque actually came from the Dollar Tree. But isn't that nice? These little mini ones I've had for years, candles I've had for years. This is actually just a candle topper. I just replaced the candles, but I keep these beautiful ornate candle toppers to place on top of any candle that I want. So you can see down here I've done the same thing. And another plaque to give it just some symmetry and some balance. These candles I've had for years. As you can see, I only burn them around the holiday time, sometimes in the fall. I've actually put these out, I think, in the spring, because I had a green and black theme in this room, and I had them out during that time. I always keep a rug in front of this TV. It makes no sense to anyone else, but if you ask Mr. Grayson, it makes sense to him. He knows exactly why that rug is there. That's where he naps while we're watching TV. And then this Christmas ornament is just a sparkly snowflake and more ginger jars on top of a mirror table. The mirror table was also a find from Facebook years ago. They've been in several places that I've lived. And the fireplace. Okay, let me zoom out. These two mosaics, they come from Pier 1. I got them both from Facebook Marketplace from different sellers. And they were originally in my kitchen during the fall decor, and now they've been moved to my mantle. I wanted something fairly tall. They're not as tall as I wanted. I wanted something almost all the way to the ceiling, but they were taller than the windows, which made me happy. And I've just layered more candles. I've taken a candle holder. This one is from Thompson Farrier, and I've just layered another candle on top of it so that I can play with the depths and the heights. Another Nutcracker. These tall, skinny ones were a gift from my nephew George, and I absolutely adore them. They will always stay in my collection. I've hidden a few snowflakes in the flocked garland and placed the 2 chairs to flank the fireplace, which I've been getting a lot of use out of my fireplace this fall and winter versus running my regular heat. And then I have some macrame animals, some deer that sit there, and then these pillows. My sister Laura and I were on a trip and we found these pillows and like a home goods type store, and yeah, I smashed them down in my suitcase and I brought them home years ago. Love those pillows. Another change that you may have noticed that in this room is I've changed the carpet. This carpet was underneath the previous carpet. The previous carpet was a black gray, it was more moody, darker, much darker, and I've taken that one, rolled it up, and underneath I have this one. I normally layer rugs like that so that I don't have to figure out how to store them, but this one is the one that's going to be out for Christmas, and it's just a wool blend rug that's in the grayish blue family. I love the way it picks up the tones in the flocked garland. And this bench is really not necessary, but because we spend a lot of time in this room with our meals and things, I put that bench there so that we can prop our feet up on it when we're finished eating. The tray is just to hold our drinks and snacks and things like that. I always keep a couple blankets. This is a basket, a blanket basket that I have back here, and a TV tray. You need one of those in your rooms. I normally have that one hidden in a closet, but we just used it, so I haven't put it away yet. And then I have a console table. This is the console table that was actually behind the blue couch, and so it's now behind the gray couch. And the silver desk that was in the window with the carousel on it from my decor, fall decor video, it is now behind the blue couch. I've just taken some Christmas ornaments and layered them in a glass vase just to give this a little bit of dimension on the back of the couch. And in this corner, guys, I need your help. In this corner, I have my fiddle leaf tree. I want to replace her. I think I'm going to put another Christmas tree in this corner. So I'm going to start looking on Facebook, Craigslist for one. I need something tall and skinny. When you see the tree that I have in my bedroom later on, you'll see why I want a tall, skinny one like that in this corner as well. So that is my family room tour. I love this room so much. It is a great place to just hang out and relax, especially with the fireplace on. It's très romantique and I love it. So thank you so much for joining. If you have any tips or tricks for me, please let me know, because I like to save money and I love decor, and I hope I could do the same for you guys. Take care. Bye.